Want to buy Dogecoin with Apple Pay instantly? Here's the fastest way. First, open a crypto exchange or wallet app that supports both Dogecoin and Apple Pay. Popular options like Coinbase, Binance, which is the one that I'm going to be using for this tutorial, and BitPay will all let you purchase Doge directly with Apple Pay. Next, create or log in into your account and complete any quick identity verifications if required. Then head to the Buy Crypto section. Now, select Dogecoin from the receive. Type Doge. And in the payment method, select Apple Pay and press Confirm. Now, set the amount of money that you want to spend on Dogecoin. Let's say $20. Now press Buy Doge. Confirm the transaction using Face ID or Touch ID for instant approval. Once confirmed, the Dogecoin is delivered straight to your exchange wallet within seconds. From there, you can hold it, send it to your personal wallet, or trade it for other cryptos. Pro tip, always transfer Doge to a secure wallet if you plan to hold it long term. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.